Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to test and review this Glow Recipes new Papaya Sorbet Cleansing Balm. So stay tuned. On my last video of Glow Recipes, couple of you suggested me to try their cleansers. So here I am. I purchased their brand new Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm with Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I'm gonna try this both today for the very first time. Now I'm wearing full makeup. I'm wearing Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation, and if you guys know, that one is very tough to take it off, or at least to me it is, because maybe I was using the wrong makeup remover stuff. Whatever it is, this will tell us how good it is by taking off this foundation. So I'm thinking to do half of my face so we can see the difference. And yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. So this is the box it came in. Let's open it up. I already took the tape off. Okay, it's pretty. And there it is. Oh wow, it's a nice heavy bottle. Their packaging is always awesome. And it says Glow Recipe at the bottom too. It's a nice glass bottle, and it's supposed to come with the, okay, yeah, there it is. There is a spatula for it, so you don't need to put your fingers in. Hygiene purposes, you know. So yeah, I like the packaging. It's pretty big actually. I was not expecting it to be this big. And okay, nice. Let's try it on. So I'm starting with my half fist first. So I'm gonna wear the hair belt because I can't work with this hair on the face. Okay, now we can work a little. And I haven't opened this. Oh, this is how it looks, and it exactly smells like papaya to me. I eat a lot of papaya. I love papaya, and yeah, this exactly smells like a papaya. The smell is not overpowering, it's just gentle, but I can tell there is definitely papaya in it. I mean, of course, it says it's Papaya Sorbet Enzyme, but yeah, if someone doesn't know what it is and they smell it, they can say it is papaya. Okay, that's enough of papaya. Let me take my hair more back, and I have my towel here and I have some water down here. So I'm just gonna do the cleansing right here in front of you. I took my ring off. So I don't know how much to use, but I think I will start with this quantity. Yeah, I think that will be enough. And as I said, I'm gonna do the half face. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do that. Because you know, you have to rub, and I have a habit of rubbing with both hands. But hey, I'm gonna do half face. So, ooh, it already melted. Ooh, that's really smooth. So I'm gonna see here in the mirror. Okay, that's my half face. Oh, it already smudged my lipstick. Nice. The eye is the part which burns me whenever I put some balm or cleanser. So let's see how this works. It's not burning yet. No burning. Good. I like that. Otherwise, I have to run to the shower immediately to take that off. Otherwise, I start crying. Crying as in my eye starts running water. I'm talking too much. But this feels smooth and nice on the face. It says massage, so I'm gonna massage a little. I think that's enough. Let's try to take it off. Yeah. I'm gonna dip some of my towel in here. It did take off all the eyeliner. Great. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job. Like, this is the face with the makeup and this is the one without the makeup. I mean, I want to hide it, but hey, this works pretty good. Now I'm going to put it all over my face and go to the bathroom and wash it off. And yeah, I will see you in a little bit. I just washed off my face and you can see my face is makeup free, and it is literally makeup free because generally whenever I do cleaning, I will still see some eyeliner and mascara around my eyelashes, but today I literally don't see any. So I'm super happy with the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Okay, the name is way too big, but that product is excellent. I will suggest you all to try it. It is really good product. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.